what do we do when we try to see how tall something is, how wide something is? What is that called?
Measuring.
Thank you, Izzy. High five. We're going to measure the outside of the wheel. Wow. You have to go around the whole tire. Got it, Izzy? We're measuring. What number did it stop at? 60 inches. That's a 6 and a 0. Wow. So we need to write that on our paper for the measurement.
What am I doing?
60 inches is taller than Izzy.